setup is a beauty dish setup. And we have the beauty dish set just slightly above our model. A lot of people, when they use the beauty dish, will also use a bounce panel or a reflector that she will actually hold. I like using a softbox down here because I can control how much light is coming out, so I can fill the shadows under her chin. So I like using a softbox. It's basically a clamshell kind of lighting. One above, one below. That's clamshell. Side to side is what? Sandwich lighting. This is clamshell. Good. So when I go here, I'm going to look for her eyes. Good. Nicole, let's bring your hands up, real close to your face. Perfect. Lips open a little bit, and chin up a tiny bit. Good. Down there, just a little, right there. Stay there. Ooh, she blinked and I shot. That's how fast I am. Good. And here is the typical lighting that you get with a beauty dish. You see how the